Hello, I'm Lesley Greening. In my video today, I would like to talk to you about the difference between project requirements and project scope. What's the difference between requirements and scope? First off, requirements. These are attributes, features or capabilities of project deliverables. Requirements gathering and analysis activities are performed in the planning phase of a project. This process will determine whether the requirements are really necessary, what should be part of the project and what shouldn't. The requirements should align to the organisation's strategic goal. Is there something this project is giving that will assist in reaching the strategic goal? High-level business requirements, or HLBRs as they're known, are established first, then the low-level business requirements are established. Depending on the size and/or complexity of the project, this can be a really big undertaking. And sometimes not enough time or analysis is given to this process, which causes problems later on in the project. A business analyst carries out the requirements gathering and analysis, but this role can be sometimes undertaken by the project manager. Again, these are requirements. Features, capabilities, attributes. Now the project scope. This is work that needs to be done in order to satisfy the requirements of the project. To get the full scope, you will need to have established what your requirements are. If you don't, then you may not include all the relevant scope when planning the project, which can lead to changes occurring throughout the project. This in turn can impact time and cost. A work breakdown structure or a product breakdown structure is used to organise the work. When you reach the lowest level of the work breakdown structure or the product breakdown structure, tasks are then generated with dependencies, resources and timelines. So this again is the scope, and it defines what the work is involved to achieve those requirements. So to reiterate, requirements, features, capabilities, attributes, scope, all the work necessary to produce those requirements. I hope this has given you clarification. If you need any more information or if you have any comments, please leave them and I will answer any questions you have. Until the next time, thank you very much.